Hello everyone, as a VP of the sales, I would like to recommend you our upgrade window system. We name it 76 series window system. Number 1, 1 inch only for the window sash frame. So let's see, this is only 1 inch window sash frame. So say hello to Slim and say goodbye to Bunky, get rid of Bunky, no Bunky in my life. Number 2, usually you will see the handle like this. So it will be break if you are not gentle. So get rid of this kind of bunky handle. Let's see the upgrade handle here. So you will only need to open here. You only need to open it, and here is a notch. You can push out. And also you can pull it, right? That's it. It's very simple, and it won't get break in your whole life. Number 3, high insulation for energy saving. So we can tell simple from the window. Point 1, thermal break on the profile. This is 1 inch thermal break on the profile. EPDM rubber very seal around the window sash. Point 3, let's see the corner section here. This is 90-degree corner connection for every corner, every 4 corner. Yeah. The connection here we are using is anchoring with adhesive injection. It will prevent water from penetrating the walls into the windows. Number 4, the whole window has passed by ARMA and FRC 100, 200, 300. The U factor B test, solar heat gain coefficient B test. They are powerful lab that you can trust. Let's see the drainage hole here. So when the weather is raining and the window is closed, you won't get any water from interior since they are good watertightness design. But when the window is on the open static like this, the water will go through to the drainage hole. So on the sash, as we could see on the sash, we got a drainage hole here. On the frame, we got a drainage hole here as well. So once the water get here, and it will come out from the hose.